In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webull Earnings Calendar if you're trying to stay ahead of company earnings announcements. This built-in tool makes it easy to see who's reporting and when, so you can plan your watch list and manage your trading schedule more confidently. Start by opening the Webull app and heading to the Markets screen. Depending on your app version, you might also see this area labeled Explore or Discover. Both take you to the same general place, a hub with market data, trending tickers, and tools. From there, look for the Calendar section. You'll often find it under Markets, then Calendar, or you might spot a small calendar icon along the top or within a Tools panel. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the page a bit. The placement can vary slightly after app updates. Once you're in the calendar, switch the view to Earnings. The calendar typically offers multiple tabs: Earnings, Dividends, and Splits, so make sure Earnings is selected. This focuses the list on upcoming earnings reports rather than other corporate actions. You'll now see a dated list of companies scheduled to report. Each entry usually includes the stock symbol or company name, the expected release date, the time of day, and often a consensus estimate if one is available. The time label is especially important. You'll commonly see BMO, which means before market open, and AMC, which means after market close. BMO announcements tend to land before the opening bell, while AMC reports are released once regular trading has ended. Knowing the timing helps you prepare for potential pre-market or after-hours volatility. Use the date controls to navigate through the schedule. Many versions of the calendar offer quick filters like today, this week, and next week, and you can scroll to see more days as you go. This is great for mapping out the busiest reporting periods, spotting clusters of earnings in your sector, and deciding when to pay extra attention to market moves. A couple of quick notes as you review the list. Estimates can change as new analyst data comes in, and exact report times sometimes shift, especially for smaller companies. Also, keep an eye on the time zone indicator in the app so you're interpreting BMO and AMC correctly for your location. That's all you need to start using the Webull Earnings Calendar effectively. Open Markets or Explore. Find the calendar, select Earnings, review the symbols, dates, times, and estimates, and scan across days to plan around upcoming reports.